Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Employee Benefits template and explore its contents. To install Employee Benefits, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can provide your employees with easy access to their benefits and other personalized content. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the benefit model. This model has been pre-configured with properties to record benefit information such as title, brief description, and body. The template also adds the employee benefit model. This model links the employee to the recorded benefit. Now head to the Pages section to locate more new content. Select the Benefits Catalogue page. Select Add Benefit to populate the list block on this page. The benefit page will open in a modal window. Populate the fields, then select Save. Select Assigned Benefits to open the Elected Benefits page. Select Set Up Benefits to get back to the Benefits Catalogue page. Or select Assign Benefit to open the Employee Benefit page in a modal window. Complete this for an employee, then select Save. Any benefits you assign will be displayed here. Now head to the Benefits page. This page shows any alerts, knowledge articles, FAQs, or useful links with the Reward and Benefits category. Select an alert at the top of the page. This will open the Alert View page in a modal window. It also shows a user's elected benefits. Select an item from the list to open the Employee Benefit Detail page in a modal window. Then select a benefit from the Available Benefits list block. This opens the Benefit Detail page in a modal window. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.